Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab H2D nozzle temperature not changing after purge hot end fix guide. Fix 1. Restart the purge process. Cancel the current print or purge cycle, then turn the printer off for 30 to 60 seconds and then power it back on. Now start a new purge and watch whether the nozzle temperature begins to rise normally. A restart can clear temporary firmware or heating control issues. Fix 2. Check that the hot end is fully seated. Remove the hot end and reinstall it carefully. Now push the hot end completely into the tool head, lock the retaining lever securely, and make sure there is no gap between hot end and the tool head. Fix 3. Inspect the heater and thermistor connections. Power off the printer and inspect the hot end wiring. Ensure the heater and thermistor connectors are fully plugged in. Check for bent pins, damaged wires, or loose connectors. Then reconnect the cables firmly if necessary. Loose or damaged connections are one of the most common causes of nozzle temperature problems. Fix 4. Check the silicone sock. Verify that the silicone sock is installed correctly and isn't torn or missing. Without it, the nozzle can lose heat too quickly during or after the purge, causing unstable temperatures or heating errors. Community reports have shown replacing the damaged silicone sock resolves this issue. Fix 5. Inspect for a clogged nozzle. Heat the nozzle and perform the official unclogging procedure. Now remove any hardened filament before trying the purge again. Fix 6. Test the hot end. From the printer controls, manually set the nozzle temperature, for example 200 to 220 degrees Celsius, and watch the temperature graph. If the temperature stays at room temperature, the heater or wiring may have failed. If the temperature reading jumps erratically or drops unexpectedly, the thermistor or tool head connection may be faulty. Fix 7. Replace the faulty hot end. If the hot end is installed correctly but still won't heat, replace it with a known working hot end. If the problem remains after replacing the hot end, the tool head board or wiring harness may require replacement. Fix 8. Contact Bambu Lab support. If the problem still isn't resolved, contact Bambu Lab support. Visit the Bambu Lab support center and sign in with your Bambu Lab account. Now click Submit a support ticket and choose your printer model. Describe the issue and attach photos, videos, printer logs, and any HMS error codes. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.